November 22nd, 2023. How's it going, guys? Well, it's that time of year again here in Kansas City, in Independence, Missouri. Almost Thanksgiving. And I'm going to do a few of my videos, update them. I've got some videos in the last few years where I've actually made all the Thanksgiving and Christmas dinners here. Been doing it a long time, guys. And that's what I'm going to show how to do. We're going to make some green bean casserole right now. And let's get started, guys. Okay, guys. What you're looking at is what you're going to need is 2 cans of cut green beans. Any brand's fine. 1 can of cream of mushroom. Going to have some of those crispy fried onions, about 6 ounces of them. And about 2/3 cup of whole milk, if you want it to really taste good. And it's something else I was going to show real quick, guys. I had to get another can opener, and this was just made. I got this at Walmart. It was the Farberware, or whatever they call it. And this thing actually works really good. I mean, it was a cheap price on it, but it really basically opens the cans good. I'm going to show that too. And we're going to mix all this up. And we got the oven already preheated at 350 degrees. And let's get started, guys. Okay, guys. I'm going to set that right there. And we're going to show how good this actually works. That was pretty quick, guys. We'll do another one real quick. Pretty easy to do, guys. So hold on. Okay, guys. Now I got my little cauldron there. We're going to dump those green beans down in there. And I usually kind of rinse them off too. We'll let that set for a second. So hold on. That drain. Okay, guys, now we got our cream of mushroom. I'm just going to scoop this down in here. We're just going to scoop that, and then we're going to spread it out. Now we're letting those green beans kind of drain off there, and we're going to put them down in there next after we do this. But I want you guys to see this. I'll show it here in a second. I don't have anybody to hold my camera today or my tablet, so hold on, guys. Just a second. Okay, guys. Now, I just kind of smeared that all around when you see that, so hold on. Okay, guys. Now, I've kind of smeared that around in there, as you can see. Just kind of mix that in there. Then we're going to add the milk. Just going to pour that in there. Just like that. Now, hold on, guys. Okay, guys. And I just stirred it all up. Just took a couple minutes. Just take your time doing it. Now we're going to plop that in there for about 25 minutes, guys. Just got to keep an eye on it, depending if you got a gas or electric stove. And then I'll do a part 2 on this. Anyway, keep your eyes open and have a good one.